Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really colorful earrings. I don't know if you guys like hoops, but I love hoops, and these are perfect if you have a lot of just random beads laying around. So here are the tools and supplies you're going to need for these hoop earrings. You're going to need a hammer, bench block, lots of colorful beads, a bell shaping plier, this is the 6-step bell shaping plier, 26 gauge wire to wire on your beads. You're gonna need 16 gauge wire to make your hoops, a flat nose plier, a cutter, and then anything round, I'm gonna use a nylon drum. So you're gonna take your 16 gauge wire, and whatever round object you have, you can use a Coke can, whatever you have. But you're gonna take your wire, and you're gonna bend it around your round object. And then you're gonna take your flat nose plier and you're gonna bend one side of your wire up, and you're gonna take the other side and bend it to the side. So it should look like this. And then you're gonna take that side that you've bent to the side, and you're gonna take it and wrap it around. I like to do it while I'm still on my round object so it stays round. You're just gonna make a loop, cut your extra piece off, bend that wire in a 90 degree angle, cut off your tail, and make your loop. So now you have your hoop, and now I'm going to take it and just work harden it with my bench block. So I'm just going to give it a couple of taps on each side, and that's just going to harden it and give it some texture so it's easier to wire wrap on. Okay, so now you've got this piece. Now you're gonna take some of that leftover wire from before, and this is where you're gonna make your little piece that goes in front of your hoop that holds all of your colorful beads. So now you're gonna straighten that wire out. You can put it over, you can have it long, you can cut it short, however you want it. I'm gonna go, this is a pretty good size for me. Actually, I might cut it just a little bit shorter. Okay, so now I'm gonna come down here and I'm going to hammer this out. To give it some texture so it's easier to wire wrap on and to work hard in it. And then now I'm gonna come down to the bottom, the tips of these, and I'm going to make little paddles. So there's a little paddle, and do the same thing on the other side. And that's just so that your wire doesn't slide off. Okay, so now you're gonna take your 26 gauge wire, take like this much, about 2 feet of wire. You might not use that much, but it's better to have more than too little. And then you're gonna come up to the top, and we're gonna start wire wrapping this little piece on. I'm going to start on one side and go under a couple of wraps. And then I'm going to go under and go the opposite side. So if you've ever made like a God's eye in camp, it's kind of like that, how you're getting it started. So you're kind of going like over, like you're making a cross. So you're going like over, diagonal, a couple of times. And then you're gonna come under and over the other side. Till it gets really sturdy. Now I'm gonna go other side. So that side is done. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach the other side before I start putting my beads on. I think it'll be easier to do that. I'm just gonna wrap this around one more time on the side of the hoop. Cut off your tails. And then push down whatever wire is sticking up. So that first side is done. And now we're gonna do that same thing down on this side. So you're gonna go this way for a few wraps, and then you're gonna go the opposite way. So you're like crisscrossing for a few wraps. And you can do as many wraps you want, or you can do just a few. Just depends on what you want yours to look like and how sturdy you want your little stick to be. I'm just gonna take that tail and wrap it around the hoop and then cut it off. And then push down any wire that's sticking up. And now you have the base of your hoop. And now we're gonna take some more 26 gauge wire. About another 2 feet. And you're gonna start up at the top. And I'm just gonna wrap it around that little X that we made 2 times and then come around the little stick 2 times, and then I'm gonna start wrapping my beads. God. Okay, now I'm just gonna start picking random beads to add to my earring. So you're gonna slide your bead on. Let's hold it with my thumb. Wrap it around 2-3 times and add your next bead. If you want to space your beads out more, you can. So maybe I'll do like 5 or 6 wraps and then add my next bead. Just depends on what you want to do. If you want to make it more tight, you can, or if you want to spread out your beads, it's totally up to you. Now let's add And once you get 2 on, you can start, if you want to. I'm gonna push 1 to one side and 1 to the other to kind of give it a different look. You can add them to the front, the sides, whatever you wanna do. It's just sliding it up. And then, now that you're at the end, you're just going to take that and just wrap a couple more times. Cut the tail off. And then come up here and cut the tail off to this side. And then just go back, and if there's any wire sticking up from where you've cut it, just push it down so it doesn't stick out. And then you're ready to add an ear wire. Okay, so now you're ready to use an ear wire, whether you have one already made or you're gonna make one. You're just gonna slide it onto the loop you made, close it up. So now you have your Asian-inspired earrings. Super light, but a good way to use some colorful beads. So let's go back over the tools and supplies you're gonna need to make these earrings. You're gonna obviously need some colorful beads. You're gonna need a hammer, flat nose plier, a 6-step bell making plier, a cutter, some 26 gauge wire, anything round that you have to make your hoop. I'm using a drum, and then a bench block. If you wanna pick up any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. What colors would you use in your earrings? Let us know in the comments, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And now that you know how to make colorful earrings, you can say, I made this.